Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. Here's a question for you. Have you ever thought about what it really takes to be successful in today's technology driven world? It's more than just knowing how to use your smartphone. The modern workplace is constantly evolving, and a new set of skills is absolutely essential. In today's video, we'll explore some of the basic skills you need to be successful in a technology driven workplace. Let's get started. Do you know the 5 most commonly used digital skills in today's technology driven workplace? While many people are comfortable using their device for personal use, a professional setting demands a different level of proficiency. So here are the essential digital skills for the modern workplace. First off, device and platform fluency. It's essential to be confident using the internet on a mobile phone, tablet, and computer. While many people depend solely on their smartphones, an office environment requires you to be equally skilled at navigating information and applications on a laptop or desktop computer. This includes understanding the differences between operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS, and being able to work with both installed software and cloud-based applications. This versatility is key to adapting to various work setups. Number 2, proficiency with productivity software. Proficiency with productivity software is a critical skill to have in today's technology-driven workplace. Having confidence in using systems and applications for office tasks is a given. You must be familiar with common office productivity tools such as Microsoft Office Suite, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and Google Workspace, which includes Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail. Many companies, including small and medium-sized enterprises, are also using other tools, including open source options like LibreOffice and specialized applications like Asana for project management or Canva for graphic design. The ability to quickly learn and adapt to new software is a critical skill. Number 3 is professional online communication. It's not enough to just know how to use communication tools. You must also use them professionally. This involves the skills and ability to communicate effectively online via email, instant messaging apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams, and video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Google Meet. Professional online communication includes knowing the proper etiquette for email, so clear subject lines, professional tone, participating respectfully in video calls, and maintaining appropriate decorum in team chats. Your communication should be clear, concise, and professional when interacting with customers, partners, and team members. Number 4, effective information literacy. Searching for reliable information online may seem simple, but in a professional setting, it requires a higher level of scrutiny. Information literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. You must be able to verify the credibility of sources, distinguish between facts and opinions, and confirm information is from a reputable site. The skill ensures you're not passing along inaccurate or embarrassing information that could reflect poorly on you or your company. This also involves research and understanding different types of sources, such as academic journals, reputable news organizations, and government websites. Number 5, cybersecurity awareness. The internet can be a dangerous place. Protecting yourself and your workplace is a top priority. Being aware of online threats and risks is a fundamental skill. A strong awareness of security best practices, such as using strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication, helps to keep you and your organization safe. This includes recognizing phishing scams, malicious email, avoiding suspicious links that could launch malware, and being cautious about the amount of personal identifiable information you provide to websites. So beyond the technical skills, while these technical skills are vital, they are most effective when combined with key soft skills. The ability to learn new things quickly, known as adaptability, to think critically and solve problems, problem solving, and to work well with others, collaboration, are essential for success in a modern, tech-driven environment. There are many ways to improve your digital literacy. You can take a class, go online or explore tutorials on YouTube. Whatever method you choose, make sure the resource is professional and has experience using software applications in a professional environment. This strategy will help you develop both the technical and soft skills you need to be successful. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thank you for watching.